Thanks very much for joining me to talk about the SWAP course, the Access to STEM. So could you tell us a little bit about why it's a good career to get into, and why this SWAP course is a really good place to start?
Well, there's massive amount of investment in STEM subject areas from the UK and globally. And recent reports into the area suggest that STEM jobs will grow at double the rate that other career opportunities give. So there's plenty of opportunities for STEM graduates out there for further employment. And if you think of some of the challenges that we're facing nationally and globally at the moment that's being tackled through science and technology, if you think of things like the climate challenge that we're currently facing, if you think of the things like the renewable energy movement, the ambition to develop nuclear fusion power, the development of electrical vehicles, will soon all be moving away from our old petrol and diesel cars into electric vehicles, maybe even autonomous vehicles that's driving for us rather than us driving them. Things like the advances in material science, robotics, space exploration, even the potential for a spaceport right here in our doorstep in Ayrshire. The list goes on. So there's plenty there to excite, there's plenty employment graduate opportunities, and there's plenty to get involved in that could make a real difference to the world that we live in for student graduates in the STEM subjects.